Grocery haul for you guys. First is the Costco. We have this side and that side over there. I had to make breakfast after this stuff got delivered. My kids have already broken into that. What are we gonna do? Okay, so first we have these naked smoothies. Luke really likes the Mighty Mango and the green machine. I thought they would be good for his lunches. There's also Berry Blast, Strawberry Banana, and one other one back here. I think this one's the blue machine. There we go. Yeah, blue machine. So, we're gonna put some of these in his lunches. I'll see if I can find little green machines and put that in his lunch. We've got the Tillamook cheddar cheese little slices, and then a block of Tillamook medium cheddar. That is, I'm gonna grate this up through my through my, what is that? Mixer. My mixer attachment with my mixer attachment. Hang on just a second. I need to pause this because with my mixer attachment with the grater. I've got some feta cheese, some Rouse tomato sauce. Costco has the best price on these. It's $12 for these two, which if at a regular grocery store, it's $12 for one of the small ones. So great price for those. I've got a block of Parmigiano cheese. I'm gonna cut the rind off, put the rind in the freezer, put this through my grater. That way it's all ready to go. Havarti cheese. Luke's favorite sandwiches are ham and Havarti. So we've got some Havarti cheese here. These are from my husband. These are the white cheddar baby bells. These are actually from the Fred Meyer hauls. Let's put these back out here. Theo was being so helpful. All right, back to this. So we've got the Havarti, and then I got some uncured Black Forest ham. This is a best price for almost 2 pounds, where at the normal grocery store, it's like $10 for 1 pound. So that's a really good price, and he eats this almost every single day. He wanted some smashed avocado with carrots. So that's one of his favorite snacks. So we got some avocados. I'll put that in his lunch. This is my dishwasher detergent. That's what we use for that. Got some blueberries, some cauliflower. I was feeling some roasted cauliflower this week. I was so excited when I saw these. These are just bare, boneless, skinless, lightly breaded chicken breast chunks. According to several people on YouTube, these taste like Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets. We will try them, and I will let you know how it goes. I got this. This is for my lunch. There's tortillas in here, some lettuce, cheese, these salsas. This one is spicy, but it's pretty good. And then that, and so what I do is I just separate it into different containers, put the this stuff in a baggie, put that in the container, and then I warm up the chicken and the tortillas at the same time in the microwave at work, and then I make the tacos out of it. So there is that. We're gonna move over here to Breadland. Ignore my mess over here. Oop, that needs to be right there. Okay, so I've got some flour tortillas, some Dave's white bread. I figured that would be a good option for Luke's sandwiches. His favorite is sourdough, but I didn't want to do peanut butter and jelly on sourdough. It just seems kind of weird to me. Also got some burrito-sized tortillas. He wanted one of his lunches to be a ham and cheese wrap, so I got some tortillas to do wraps with. We really like refried beans in this house, so I got a box of refried beans. Unbleached flour, I got 2 bags of it there. I got this for me. Oh, let me move that. This is Indian coconut squash dal, and I really like the Madras lentils, so I wanted to give this a try and see. I also got some of these mini fruit bars, only 2 ingredients, no sugar, no preservatives. I thought that would be a good thing to put in his lunch. Yep, just apples and strawberries, apples and mangoes, and apples and blueberries. So no preservatives, no added sugar. The last thing, there is a lot of sugar in this. But I thought it would be a good treat. My husband also really likes these. Yeah. So, we're gonna move over to Fred Meyer. So, also I got a thing of Sprite from Costco, but it's living out here. So we're gonna start on this side here. I've got oat milk for me and Levi, regular milk for the other 4 people in our house, coffee creamer for my husband. We usually get the big one, but they were out. 2 things of sour cream. One's gonna become ranch dressing, the other one's still gonna be sour cream. Tea. This is the black tea that I drink every single day with a tablespoon of honey. My kids eat these like they're going out of style. They've been eating them since they were babies. Oh, Thea, I forgot one thing we got from Costco. Thank you, Thea. We got peanut butter. This is my family's favorite peanut butter. I prefer Jif. They like Skippy. We buy Skippy because they eat more peanut butter. No, I still need that to be on the table. Go put that back on the table. Thank you.
And this?
Nope, that can stay. Thank you so much, Tia. Tia, I don't need it right now.
This.
Okay. Okay, going back to this. These Oatmeal Z Bars are Luke's favorite. So we got those. This is for my husband. They're oatmeal raisin chewy bars. Got 2 boxes of those. And then Luke asked if we could try these and see how his stomach does with them. They don't have any artificial sugar in them. Or like, it's corn syrup. It's not high fructose corn syrup. But there is citric acid in it, so we'll see what happens. Barilla protein. We use that one when the kids need something quick. Not enough sriracha? Ah.
Well, it's falling out.
That's because they're not supposed to stack. Put them back, please. Put them back. Thank you. Thank you. We're doing udon noodle stir fry. So I'm going to get those ready to go. Thea, put them back. Thank you. I also got these. These are what I'm going to use for Luke's lunches. So we've got some snack cups here for fruit. This one is a split one, so I figured I can put dip on one side, carrots on the other side. And then this is his main one, which will have his sandwich in it and other stuff. Okay. He also loves salsa verde, so I picked up another jar of salsa verde. Just gonna pick that up. Yeah, there we go. Apricot jam for the peanut butter and jellies. I got some mushrooms to go with our stir fry. Tia, hang on. Okay. Avocados. These are very hard, so we got some time on that. We've got Cliff Bars. Thea is showing us, what are those? Vegetables. Those are green onions. Can you count how many green onions we got? How many bunches of green onions?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Thank you so much, Thea. Also got some of these peanut butter crunch Cliff Bars. I like to keep snacks like that in my lunchbox. What are those?
Cucumbers.
Those are actually zucchini.
Zucchini.
Yeah, we like the keen.
The what?
We also got some strawberries. These are Thea's favorite thing in the entire world. Strawberries.
And 2.
Yeah, we got 4 zucchinis. We also got a bag of tater tots. We already broke into them. So we could make some breakfast. Got some deodorant for my husband.
And milk.
Yes, we got milk.
And this.
No. We also got some cat food. Our cats, well, one of my cats is, her stomach doesn't do well with fish, and so we have to get cat food that doesn't have any fish in it. So this is a great one if you have a cat that's like that. It's chicken and brown rice. We also will use, hang on baby, we will also use the Rachel Ray's chicken and brown rice. That one does great too. I'm making spaghetti. So we've got maple sausage. I also have 2 packs of chicken because they were $7 pack. Yep, that's tea. I also got some coconut flakes to make some coconut balls. A bag of rice to refill my rice container. We've got tomato paste because I'm making, I'm making spaghetti, and I'm making shepherd's pie this week too. So I've got some tomato paste for that. Coming around here, we have a lot of tomato product. So this is usually what I use to do my spaghetti sauce. So we've got crushed tomatoes and tomato puree. I've just got a couple of cans of each one of those. Yes, and those ones. So we've got 3 bunches of green onions. We go through a lot of green onions in our house. I also have 4 zucchini and a head of romaine for salads. I also have a thing of bleach because I need it in my laundry room. And eggs. I've already broken into the eggs. It broke on transport today. I also have some baby carrots for Luke's lunch. Yeah, baby, don't do that. Don't do that.
They're so cute.
Yes, I know they're so cute. And then we got some markers because I need to finish up Luke's school supplies. Oh, I also got, because we drink Sprite and Coke in this house, packaged Coke because Costco is out of Coke. So, I think that's it. Oh, dear Grace, don't do that. The zucchini is for our grilled steak kebabs and veggie kebabs. Do not do that, the erase.
They're so yummy.
I know, but please don't do that, okay?
It's like a giant pickle.
No, because it's not a cucumber, it's a zucchini.
Oh.
But pickled zucchini are really good too. All right. I gotta put this stuff away. I gotta put this stuff away. Yeah. Now I gotta clean that up. Okay. Let's get to going. Let's put stuff away. Can we put that back, please?
It's salad.
It is for salads. You're right.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. Welcome to the Bloopers. Today we're just doing a grocery prep video. It's basically just me going through what I got from the grocery store, cutting up stuff, grating cheese. Just hang out with me, enjoy the music, relax, and watch me do all the work.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through. No limit to what we can do.
Sometimes I feel like you guys are always watching me clean up my refrigerator.
Oh,
Does anybody else clean out their refrigerator as much as I do? I don't know if it's because I have 6 people living in my house that our fridge gets so messy so fast. If you clean your refrigerator as often as I do, comment down below. Let me know I'm not alone. Because Lord knows I clean out my refrigerator like once a week. Sometimes it needs to be twice a week.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax. All your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're
So I thought I should explain a little bit about what I'm doing with these strawberries. So we cut the ends off the end. Obviously, they're the ends. Heard that my kids were just picking up the ends and worried about dealing with the definitely. The ones that are going in the container, that's green, is ones that have a little bit. The ones in the white bowl are like ready to go even right now.
Until it feels alright all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. 2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby, don't leave. They don't need to know we're out here wild and free. They say we're crazy, it's too much. Crazy, deep in love. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. Ooh, we are dreaming.